And I remember my Microsoft employee that would give me resources and stuff. He came over to my student office one time and he saw a book on Visual Basic, grabbed that book and tossed it straight into the trash.
So
I think I still have it. I think I dug it out.
I have a ridiculous amount of um, uh, not useful textbooks.
I
So
do too, as you can see.
I was kind of organizing my office and moving all the science fiction and fantasy books out of my main office into a secondary office, and trying to only keep the O'Reilly books and the tech books in here. And I have a whole series of Windows NT. Uh, and so apparently either me or one of my employees would buy the new book each year. A new version of Windows NT came out, and I still have them all.
Yeah. I have a thick Visual Studio 2010. It's like this thick that somebody put on my office one day.
My most prized old textbook, I guess it's more of a product book, is there was a tool that eventually IBM ended up owning, but multiple companies ended up. Qualtrics was the first company that created this tool called DDTS, and it was an issue tracker / really light project management tool. So it would compete with Jira if it still existed. And that was the very first tool that I really became an admin on. And I have the version 2 user manual for it, to include the source code printed out in the back of because the whole thing was written in awk, which is
Okay.
a terrible programming language to write a program in. Great little tool to use for like little Unix snippets or Linux snippets to,
We
you
did
know,
YAML when we were doing documentation that was code based.